and a beautiful day to you. What happens when fear overwhelms hope? What happens when desperate families stop waiting for answers and begin searching for divine intervention? In Oyo State, where dozens of abducted school children and teachers remain in captivity, frustration has reached a boiling point. As security agencies continue their search operations and anxious parents wait for news of their loved ones, a dramatic scene unfolded that has captured national attention. Groups of women, traditional worshippers, reportedly stormed shrines across parts of Oyo State, seeking supernatural intervention in the effort to secure the release of the kidnapped pupils and teachers. Their message was simple but powerful. Enough is enough. The children must come home. The development comes amid growing anger over the worsening security situation and the continued uncertainty surrounding the fate of the victims. Across affected communities, anxiety is mounting. Parents wake up every morning hoping for good news. Families spend sleepless nights wondering where their children are and what conditions they are facing. Yet, as the days pass, many feel the answers they desperately seek remain out of reach. Faced with this painful reality, the women decided to take an extraordinary step. Dressed in traditional attire and carrying symbolic items associated with their spiritual practices, they gathered at sacred locations to perform rituals, prayers, and supplications. According to participants, the exercise was intended to seek divine guidance, protection for the abducted victims, and swift justice against those responsible for the kidnappings. But the larger question remains: why have Nigerians reached a point where citizens believe they must turn to shrines, churches, mosques, and spiritual leaders in the search for solutions to insecurity? For many observers, the answer lies in the growing desperation felt by communities repeatedly confronted by kidnappings, attacks, and violent crimes. When fear becomes a daily reality, people often seek comfort wherever they believe hope can be found. The abduction of school children has become one of the most emotional and politically sensitive situations in the country. Schools are meant to be places of learning, growing, and safety. Yet in recent years, they have increasingly been targets for criminal groups seeking ransom payments and publicity. The result has been widespread fear among parents, teachers, and students. Every new attack raises fresh concerns about whether enough is being done to protect educational institutions. The women participating in the shrine gatherings insisted that their actions were not political. They described the exercise as a humanitarian and spiritual appeal aimed at securing the safe return of innocent children and educators. Many of them argue that every lawful avenue should be explored to bring the victims home. For these women, the issue transcends politics, religion, and ideology. It is about protecting children and restoring peace to devastated families. Their actions have generated mixed reactions. Some Nigerians have praised the women for refusing to remain silent and for demonstrating solidarity with affected families. Others have argued that their focus should remain firmly on security operations and intelligence effort rather than spiritual interventions. Yet, regardless of differing opinions, the emotional impact of the scene cannot be ignored. It reflects the deep pain, frustration, and hopelessness being experienced by communities affected by the crisis. Meanwhile, pressure continues to mount on security agencies and government authorities to deliver results. Citizens want answers. Parents want reassurance. Communities want action. Across Nigeria, many believe that the successful rescue of the abducted children will restore confidence and provide hope at a time when concerns about insecurity continue to dominate public discourse. The incident has also highlighted the role that traditional institutions continue to play in many communities. While Nigeria is home to diverse religious beliefs and practices, moments of crisis often see citizens unite around shared concerns, regardless of faith or background. In this case, the common goal remains the same: bringing the children home safely. As rescue effort continues, families of the abducted pupils remain trapped in a painful waiting game. Every telephone call raises expectations. Every rumor sparks fresh hope. Every passing day deepens anxiety. For parents, there is no greater priority than seeing their children return alive and unharmed. Until that happens, demonstrations, prayer, protest, and calls for intervention are likely to continue. The women who gathered at the shrines may have chosen a path rooted in tradition, but their message echoes the feelings of countless Nigerians. They want action. They want answers. And above all, they want the kidnapped children and teachers safely reunited and their families. The question facing the nation is no longer whether concern exists. The concern is visible everywhere. The real question is how quickly the victims can be rescued and what lessons should be learned to prevent another tragedy from unfolding in the future. Do you think those women made the right choice? Do you believe in spirituality? Share your thoughts in the comments section. We want to hear your opinion. Please like this video, subscribe to First Next News, and turn on notifications for more breaking news and major developments regarding the Oyo school kidnapped. I am Cassie Tony, and many thanks for watching.